Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So on today's video, I'm actually putting a couple more car parts on this STI right here. Just minor installs. I did rewrap the roof on this car, so all I need to do is ceramic coat it because I had to rewrap it because the other one was kind of already fading. I also wrapped the WRX, the roof black, gloss black, looks good. The only thing is that it is peeling up because I didn't completely do it right on that one, so I'll probably just take it off. But yeah, it looks good. Black roof always looks good on a car, especially if the car is a different color. It just always looks better, so glad I did that to the car. But yeah, so I ordered 3 parts, minor parts. I got the window visors again, window ring guards, because the ones I have were kind of faded and I didn't want to throw them back on. I was gonna wrap them, but I didn't like how they looked wrapped, so just got some new ones, OLM from subispeed. Also got this rear spoiler thing to replace this one. This one is carbon fiber, and I meant to order the other one carbon fiber, but I accidentally ordered the regular matte black. But yeah, and I also got some rear splats. I was gonna do the S209 vent right here, but after seeing a couple pictures, I just don't know what I feel about them. They just don't look good. Just need to wrap it. I'm gonna do that today. But yeah, first I'm gonna wash the 2 cars. Alright, let's just let me show you how they look. Let me open these packages up. I might wrap it later down the road, maybe with gloss black just to like the roof, but for now looks fine. I'll do that. Matches some of the matte that's on the car, especially like right here, this banner here. So let's just put this aside real quick. Cool. That's already come pre-installed 3M, so that's cool. These are way darker than the OEM STI ones. That's nice. The other ones seem more of a purple tint to them, but these ones are nice. We'll get those on when the car's washed, and we'll get the other one on when the car washed. But here's these are the OLM JDM style. Covers go on the back. It's pretty cool. Yeah. There we go. Comes with screws and everything you need. But yeah, these are gonna fit right on the side of the car. So let me just finish washing the cars, and then we'll install those parts. The STI parts are pretty easy. The only thing I think is gonna be a little time consuming is the rear splats, because I do gotta wrap them, and I do gotta take off those other ones and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, and I gotta remove this one too. So yeah, it's gonna look much better. But let me just wash the cars, and then we'll get started on those installs. Alright guys, well they're on now. Looks good. Let me show you the reason why I took the other ones off. These are the OEM ones, right? Side by side. That's kind of like a different color. This is black. Look at that, you can see right through it. And these, they're super dark. Sheesh, that looks so much better. I was gonna wrap these same color as the car just to see how it looks, but I just ordered some new ones. And yeah, these are the OEM ones, those are the OLM ones. So, and these are kind of different too. You gotta finagle the freaking weather stripping in the door just to get these on. So it's not just 3M. I mean, you can just use 3M, but it's not just 3M. These are just 3M, so pretty good. Overall, looks a little bit better. I do miss the rain guards. Kind of just completes the whole top part of the car. Doesn't look as naked as it did, because I guess I was too used to the rain guards being there. So just a simple mod changes everything. And plus this looks a little better. I mean, carbon fiber is nice, but that's not too bad. Matches the roof, so that's all I care. But yeah, overall, let me just get these wrapped and take this off. Alright guys, well there it is. I am done with the car. It's a couple days later because it got too dark trying to finish the car up. Also, yeah, but yeah, everything's on the car now. Looks good. Completes the back end a little bit better than what I thought it was gonna look. I did have to do some custom cuts to trim a little bit just so it can fit with the rear OLM rear diffuser, because yeah, it wasn't fitting correctly, so I did have to cut a little bit off. So but overall it came out nice. I did struggle a little bit to freaking wrap them, but goddamn mother. But yeah, perfect. Makes the car look a little lower in the back, much better than what it looked like before. See, if I would have done the S209 freaking vents there, I think it would just throw off a little bit on the car. Good thing I was looking at some pictures, because yeah, it just wouldn't look too good. I don't know. They look nice, don't get me wrong, but it's just not my style. I like this better. I missed these splash guards. I had the JDM ones before I decided to take them off. So yeah, overall looks good. Love the window rain guards. Makes the car look a little bit more aggressive kind of. But yeah, overall I'm satisfied with the car. I just need the seat and I can start working on other things, maybe the WX, we'll see. But overall I like how the car is looking right now. What do you guys think? I was thinking of getting some different types of wheels, maybe a different color, I mean, or powder coating these, or just getting another set white. I don't know how it would look with the gray. I think it'll probably look pretty good, better than the black. That's why I like the little lug nuts that I put in there, because red kind of gives it a little bit of contrast compared to just having black lug nuts. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the car. Overall, I think it looks good. Super aggressive. Subaru, you hear it? But yeah, looks good. Makes it a little bit more aggressive in the back. But yeah, damn. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just a couple of mods, you know, not mods, but just a little visual cleanup of the car. I did get used to this matte black. Looks fine. Kind of flows with the whole window and rooftop. It's not carbon fiber, just throwing it off. I mean, I might just get the carbon fiber later down the road and see what I can do with this one. Probably sell it or give it away. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, pretty good install, guys. Just those 3 things. And yeah, let me know what you guys think so far of the car. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.